Hey, my name is Raul Sandoval. I'm the shop foreman, taking care of DRYCO here, and we keep DRYCO rolling. The main priorities in the shop is to keep everybody moving, especially when they're out there in the field. Something breaks down, we have to go out there right away. That's what keeps DRYCO working and moving. You know, all the equipment that we have, the guys need it, so that's the priority for us, to keep everybody moving. If DRYCO didn't have a shop, they will have a lot of problems, because the main thing here at DRYCO and the shop is to do the maintenance and all the vehicles that we have, so to have less problems out there when they go to the field. We're in public areas. It's very important to have those vehicles maintenance and safe out there in the roads. You know, that's the most important thing. We have, I would say, maybe 200 and something. We gotta do every 90 days, each piece of equipment. So that keeps us busy all day, the whole year around. I like what I do, you know. I like to be a mechanic and fix stuff, and it's fun to work here. If you like what you do, you're gonna enjoy your work. Plus, you know, here at DRYCO is really family. We're taking care of families, and you know, it's really fun to work here.